Hey guys, I'm Maria from Blink, and today I'm going to show you how you can build a mobile app for both iOS and Android on Blink. You see, today almost every successful product has a mobile app. Whether it's Instagram, Spotify, Uber, LinkedIn, or Slack, people expect to use apps on their phones. But until recently, building a mobile app was very difficult. Let's say you wanted to build an iOS app, basically an app for iPhones. You would need to buy a MacBook, you would need to download Xcode, you would need to learn Swift, which is the programming language for iOS. And once you've learned all of that, you would have to debug the errors manually yourself, you would have to launch a beta on test flight, and then you could publish your app to the App Store. And if you wanted to have your app on the Play Store, you would have to do it completely differently again. You would have to download Android Studio, you would have to learn Kotlin, which is the programming language for Android, and then you would have to debug your errors manually again. And then you could launch on the Play Store. But Blink makes that very simple. You describe your app in plain English once, Blink basically builds the app for you, and you can live test it on the web or on your phone using Expo Go, and then you can publish to both the app stores together. You do not need two separate environments, two separate languages that you need to learn. And unlike many AI tools that simply shrink a website onto a phone screen, Blink is specially designed for mobile apps. That means it automatically builds things like onboarding screens, mobile navigation, and other mobile first experiences that users already expect. Alright, let's see how you can build a mobile app on Blink. So the first thing that you want to do here is to switch to the mobile app tab, and here you can put in your prompt. I'm going to build an AI nutrition tracker mobile app, so this is going to be my prompt. Build a mobile nutrition tracker that lets users log meals, scan food items, track calories and macros, set nutrition goals, monitor daily progress, receive healthy eating insights, and view simple charts. Use a clean modern design with an intuitive mobile first experience. And I'm going to hit start building, and Blink will start building my mobile app. Okay, Blink is now asking me to pick a visual direction. I'm going to go with evergreen, and in my first version I want everything, and I want barcode scanning in my version 1, and I want simple insights for version 1, and I'm going to click submit. Alright, Blink has now come back with the app that it has built. You can see a web preview over here, and you can also connect your phone by scanning this QR code and preview the app on your phone. I have connected my iPhone here, and this is how it looks like on my iPhone. You will need to install an app called Expo Go, and once you do that, you can scan the QR code and you can preview the app on your phone. Let's take a look at how the app looks like on my phone. So this is the onboarding screen that Blink has created. It has 3 screens, and onboarding is a crucial part of a mobile app, and Blink understands that, and it builds the onboarding screen for you. After that, you have a sign in and sign up section. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in here. And once that is done, you'll be able to see the app. It has made a very well designed app over here. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you will be able to add a meal and you'll get a pop-up. You can click a photo using the camera or upload an image from the gallery. You can add other details, and there's a progress section over here which tracks other metrics like calories, how much exercise you have done, your BPM. It can connect to Apple Fitness and track all of that for you. And there's also the reward section, which is the gamification part of this app, and you get points for completing the challenges that are here. And then you also have a menu section where you can edit your profile, set your goals and targets, enable notifications, and you also have the sign out section here, which works perfectly. As you can see, we have come back to the sign in and sign up section. You can go back to the onboarding section from here. So that is exactly how you build a mobile app on Blink. That is all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.